Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we are making corn on the cob in the air fryer because I was supposed to actually be grilling outside and it's raining today. So I thought, okay, what do I want to do? Let's try it in the air fryer. It turned out amazing. So I thought, why not? Let's do a video. Let's get started. All right, so you can see the results that I've already achieved here. What I have done here is I'm just going to take my corn. I took all the fuzzy things off and everything. I have spray of olive oil. Now, if you want to use regular olive oil, go ahead and do that. I'm kind of feeling lazy today, I'm gonna be honest with you. So I'm just gonna use my sprayer here and do that way. I'm running out of it, so I'll get a new one. But so let me talk a little bit about the timing, all right? So for the timing on the corn, we're gonna do 390 degrees, and I'm gonna put it in for 7 or 8 minutes. Let's do 8 minutes. So we're gonna turn this on, we're gonna put it at 390, and then put the temperature or the minutes down to 8 minutes. All right, so not much color has changed, but I can tell that it's getting there. So we're gonna do it again. We're gonna put it in again. I'm just gonna turn it over 390 degrees for another 8 minutes. All right, just take a look at this. So look at the color of the corn. I mean, I don't think anybody would be able to tell that this was done in the air fryer. So I'm gonna take these out and I am going to brush it, or I'm gonna spread some butter on top of it. Now this is how we used to eat it in East Africa. We would have a lot of butter on it. And then we would take some lemon juice or lemon, and you sprinkle some lemon right on top, or you can even rub it just like that. All right. Oh my gosh, my mouth is just salivating. And then you want to take some chili powder and just sprinkle some chili powder right on top. Now that depends on how much you want chili powder. You know, I don't eat very spicy at all, so I am just going to sprinkle some for my family members, but then I'm gonna cheat and take one out from the bottom. But I really cannot have any corn because if you've seen my videos with a person who doesn't have a colon might get obstructions and stuff, so I'm not supposed to have corn at all. But once in a while, you know, I do cheat, and today I will just take a little bite just because I have an excuse. Here we go. This corn is amazing, the sweet corn that we buy from the farm. So when we did them in the microwave, it was much more sweeter. But right now too, it's sweet, but it's not super sweet. But it's just something that I thought would help you guys if you're gonna have a weather like this and you're not gonna be able to, you know, do any, if you're not gonna be able to do any grilling outside, this is great. So next week, I'm gonna be working on some easy recipes. I'm gonna be having a watch out for my mango salsa recipe. Also, if you guys have not checked out my salmon recipe, I'll put the link above on the left hand side or your right hand side of the screen. This salmon recipe is amazing. So today we're having salmon with air fried corn, and I'm also doing the mango salsa. Mango salsa video should be up next week. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.